Hello, my name's Andrea, and this is Weird Facts with Andrea. Welcome to episode 2 of Weird Facts with Andrea. Today I have two special guests. One, Mr. Stuffy Mustache. And my second special guest is my friend Sophia, and you're going to see her later in the show. So let's get started. But if I can find my weird facts. Here they are. Fact number 5. Fact number 5. Fact number 5. Sneezing with your eyes open is impossible. Weird fact number 4. Most of the dust in your home is actually skin. I'm gonna tell my mom she doesn't have to worry to clean up it. What are you doing? Cleaning your skin? What else would I be doing? She's weird. Well, why would I name the show Weird Facts with Andrea? Oh. Weird fact number 3. In Arkansas, it's strictly prohibited to pronounce it wrong. So I guess they're like kind of offense. So like if they go to America, they're gonna be like, "Oh, you're from Arkansas," and they're like, "¿Dónde está Arkansas?" What? Arkansas. ¿Dónde está Arkansas? No, you mean Arkansas? Arkansas. What are you talking about, lady? Arkansas. No. Mundo. Arkansas. No. Americano. Arkansas. Arkansas. No. Arkansas. Weird fact number 2. Chimps are the only animals that can recognize themselves in a mirror. Mwah. 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 Are you ready for the best fact of the day? Number 1. Rabbits and parrots can see behind themselves without even moving their head. Cool. I did it! We did it! Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Andrea, how do you say taco in Spanish? Taco. Yeah? Taco. Oh. So now I can speak Spanish. Yeah! I can speak Spanish! Spanish. That is the day. Adios. Adios, amigo. Adios, amigo. So I just want to thank you so much for being here, Sophia. I'm glad you could make it. You're welcome. But now I have to say goodbye. If you want to learn Spanish, start with the word taco. It's the easiest. Right? Right, and learn it from the left later. So, watch my next episode with many other of my friends. And adios, amigos. Taco!